Have you ever felt it? That hidden current beneath the surface of everyday life, a subtle hum of potential that most cannot hear. You've sensed it before, the quiet whisper calling you to something more, something beyond the ordinary. It's not chance or luck that brought you here today. It's your readiness to awaken to the truth that has been kept from the masses for centuries. You are here because the universe has chosen you to uncover what the 99% will never know. You're about to learn the hidden game of life, a secret that only the 1% truly understand. And now, that secret is yours to command. The universe isn't a fixed stage, it's a malleable canvas, and you are the artist. Most people are passive observers in this game, unaware of the forces shaping their lives. But you are different. You are here to actively create your reality, to reshape the world around you. Today, you will uncover the rules that govern reality, the ones the 1% have mastered, the ones they never want you to know. Thoughts. The architects of your world. Your thoughts are not random. They are the blueprints of your reality, the hidden codes that shape the life you experience. Every thought you hold is a command to the universe, an order that gets projected onto the screen of your life. The 1% know this. They don't just think, they create. They direct their reality with the power of their minds. Here's the secret. If you are thinking from a place of fear, doubt, or lack, that is the world you are creating. This isn't some abstract theory. This is the way the universe works. Master your mind. Choose your thoughts with intention, and you will command your world. Stop being a victim of your mind and become its true master. Belief. The foundation of your reality. Belief isn't just a passive idea. It is the foundation upon which your entire reality rests. It is the force that shapes every outcome in your life. The 1% don't just believe in what's possible. They believe in the impossible. They know that limits are self-imposed, and they've learned to discard the beliefs that hold them back. The universe responds to the belief you hold about yourself and the world. To access the power the 1% hold, you must discard your limiting beliefs and cultivate an unshakable belief in your own extraordinary potential. Believe in yourself as if nothing is impossible, and you will begin to see the world bend in your favor. Visualization. Seeing is believing. The 1% don't wish for their dreams. They live them in their minds before they exist in reality. Visualization isn't a tool of hope. It's a pre-experience of the future. They see their desires with such clarity that they know they've already manifested them. This is a secret they will never share. Visualization is not a mere mental exercise. It is a ritual of creation. They immerse themselves in the feeling of already having achieved their goals. They engage all their senses, experiencing it as if it's already real. And in doing so, they program their subconscious to accept it as reality. The power of repetition. The 1% don't just visualize once. They repeat it over and over until the images become etched into their subconscious. Repetition is not just about remembering, it's about impressing those desires upon the very fabric of reality. The universe doesn't respond to fleeting thoughts. It responds to those that are consistently reinforced. Through constant repetition, they plant seeds that grow into the life they envision. And now, you must do the same. Keep your vision before you, daily, and watch as it takes root in your life. Action, the bridge to manifestation. Visualization alone is not enough. You must act, but not just any action, inspired action. The 1% don't chase their dreams, they allow them to unfold. Every action they take is aligned with their highest truth, propelled by belief and certainty. This is the game. Move as if your dreams are already real. The universe will catch up with your actions, and you will step into the reality you have already created in your mind. Vibration, the frequency of attraction. Everything in the universe vibrates, including you. The 1% understand that their emotions and thoughts are frequencies, and like attracts like. If your vibration is low, you will attract more of the same. But if you raise your vibration to match the frequency of your desires, you will begin to attract them effortlessly. The secret the 1% knows: you must raise your vibration. Cultivate gratitude, joy, and love. Those are the frequencies that open the doors to your desires. The higher your vibration, the more you will magnetize everything you've ever wanted. Detachment, the art of letting go. This one will shock you. The 1% are not attached to the outcome. They trust that the universe has a better plan. They may strive for their goals, but they are not desperate for them. The less you need it, the faster it comes. The universe works in mysterious ways, and often it has something far greater in store for you than you can imagine. Trust the process, detach from the outcome, and the world will unfold in ways you never dreamed possible. The divine spark within. Here's the secret no one tells you. You are the power. The energy of life itself is flowing through you. You are endless abundance. You are co-creating with the universe. You have access to the infinite source, and it is waiting for you to recognize your true power. The 1% have mastered this. They know they are God in action, and they move through life with that certainty. Stop waiting for permission. You are the permission. You are the creator of your reality. Inner guidance. The 1% don't rely on external advice. They trust the whispers of the universe. Intuition is their secret weapon. They listen to the quiet voice within and follow its guidance, knowing that it is the universe itself speaking. If you follow what everyone else is doing, how do you expect to achieve anything different? Learn to listen to your unique inner voice and take inspired action. The more you trust it, the more powerful your connection to the universe becomes. Consistency, the path to mastery. This path is not for the faint of heart. It requires commitment. The 1% know that true mastery comes from consistency. Every thought, every action, every belief is a seed planted in the garden of your future. The more consistent you are, the more momentum you build, and the faster your reality begins to shift. Keep going, even when you can't see the full picture. Trust that every effort you make is a step closer to your desired reality. Being overdoing. The universe responds to your being, not just your actions. The 1% understand this secret. To become the person who lives the life you desire, you must first become that person. It's not about what you do, it's about who you are. Step into the state of being that you desire to manifest. Assume the mindset, the frequency, the energy of the life you wish to live. The universe will respond to your state of being, and reflected back to you. The power of intention. Every thought, every word, every action is a form of intention, and intention is the seed that starts it all. The 1% know that intention is the most powerful force in the universe. Set your intention with clarity. Align it with abundance, love, and possibility. The universe will begin to respond to your every intention, and watch as the world around you shifts. This isn't just a theory. It's a tangible pathway to unlocking the extraordinary power within you. The secrets of the 1% are now yours to wield. The power is within you, and it's time to create the reality you were born to live. Go now. Create. The game of life is yours to master. You now have the secrets of the 1% and know how to win the game of life.